In today's video, I will put you through on how to turn off autoplay, all right, on YouTube. If once a video finishes on YouTube, when you're playing video on YouTube, another one, commences without your permission. Let me walk you through on how to turn that off, okay? Let's get right into it. All right, the first step you have to take is to open your YouTube app, all right, on your Android or on your iPhone. As the YouTube app opens, tap on your icon, all right? In this case, I'm using an iPhone, okay? So you can see my icon at the bottom right with the information you. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will find a page that looks like this. So tap on the gear icon at the top right, okay? That's the settings. Okay, once you're on the settings page, the next step you need to take is to scroll down. You can see the section with the information, video and audio preferences. All right, tap on playback. Okay, on this playback page, you will see autoplay next video. Please tap on that button for it to be toggled off. Okay, if it's toggling on before, you can see here it has been turned off. It's no longer blue. Then the next step you may need to take is play back in phase. Okay, tap on that. If your on is always on, you can tap on off for it to be turned off, and it is that simple. Okay, I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. You can watch this video here to learn another thing that has to do with tech. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.